I was going to wait to do this video until I got it actually repaired, but if you were like me, you needed to get the back window up, so I'm going to show you how to do that in case there is rain coming. The back window would roll down fine, but it would not roll back up. I knew I'd have to take the door panel off. For these two screws here, you'll need a PH3. For this one, it's just a regular Phillips. Once you take those off, you will have to get something flat. They have tools for it. And work behind your door panel, find where the clips are, and pop them out. You can use a 5-in-1, or you can buy the tool that they have just for that. Once you get those out, then you lift up on the door panel. Disengage it from here, and the door panel will come loose. There are two plastic clips holding the door actuator and the lock actuator on. You just have to work those off of the rods and then lift them out, and then you have a little bit more room to work with. What mine turned out to be was a switch. I haven't replaced it yet. I just got the window up and I've left it there. I haven't had time to mess with it. But what we did when we got the panel off, we took a test light and we would put it in the switch connectors to find out which one controlled the up, which one controlled the down, and so we would know which to jump off to raise the window. The yellow wire coming to the switch is hot, and so I knew there was juice to the switch because the window would roll down. I didn't know which one of the other little terminals in there was up or down. So we hooked the test light to the switch and mashed down to find the down terminal, mashed up to find the up terminal. And then on the wire coming in to the switch, we knew which terminal went to the up, which one went to the down. So we took a jumper wire and jumped the yellow to the up, and then jumped the ground to the ground, and it rolled right up. So maybe that'll help you. When I get the switch, I'm going to do a follow-up video showing the complete repair. But hopefully that'll help you get it up at least, or if it's stuck up and you want it down, do the same procedure to find out which way to get it down. But I'll follow up when I get the switch and get it repaired.